Welcome back, beauty enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY hair care with Maple Holistic's Pure Carrier Oils. These oils are not just a luxury, they are an essential part of your budget-friendly hair care routine, providing myriad benefits for your locks without breaking the bank. Imagine your hair soaking up the goodness of pure almond oil. This emollient treasure is lightweight and fast-absorbing, infused with vitamins E, A, and D. It works wonders to nourish your hair, offering a boost of shine while deeply conditioning each strand. The sweet scent lingers softly, giving your hair an uplifting aroma as it transforms health and hydration. Next, let's explore the delightful coconut carrier oil. Picture this oil swiftly absorbing into your hair, infusing it with moisture that battles frizz and promotes healing from breakage. With each drop, it creates a smooth, glossy finish that turns heads. Your hair not only looks revitalized but feels lively and healthy, showcasing the power of nature's remedies. Don't forget the magic of cold-pressed avocado oil. This natural humectant infuses your hair with hydration, taming even the most unruly dry strands. Visualize applying this rich oil to your hair, immersing it in nourishment that enhances moisture retention and softness, unveiling beautifully manageable locks ready for the day or a night out. Grapeseed oil is another gem in the collection. This light oil acts as the perfect moisturizer for dry hair, leaving behind shiny, healthy-looking locks. Envision your hair reflecting the light, each strand glimmering like silk, thanks to the intense hydration and nourishment provided by grapeseed oil's unique properties that protect and revitalize. Finally, let's talk about pure castor oil. Famous for its scalp moisturizing abilities, it delivers a luscious shine and smoothness to your hair, making it look stunningly beautiful. Imagine how each application transforms your hair into a cascade of shining, healthy glory, embodying the essence of vitality and radiance. Incorporating these oils into your hair care regimen is straightforward and rewarding. Mix and match them for tailored recipes that suit your unique hair needs. For more tips, tricks, and DIY recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and happy hair care.